Hey everyone, and welcome back to the deep dive. Today we are going to explore AI product management.
Oh, yeah.
Get ready to dive deep into a blog post called How Can AI Help Product Managers?
I'm ready.
And let me tell you, it's not just about building products anymore.
Hmm.
It's about creating entire AI-powered experiences.
Yeah, it's a whole new ballgame.
Right. The blog post really highlights how the role of the AI product manager has evolved.
Well, for sure.
It's not just data science leading the charge anymore.
Yeah, the early days were very data-centric,
Right.
but now it's about a much broader approach.
Mm-hmm.
Like strategy, structure,
Right.
and real leadership
I like that.
to bring it all together.
Yeah, and that's where the AI product manager comes in.
Right.
The blog post actually calls them the orchestrator, which I love.
It's a good word for it.
Right.
Really captures the essence of the role.
Yeah.
They're not just managing a product. They're leading a symphony of data technology and user needs.
Okay, so we have our AI maestro leading the orchestra. But what are they actually doing on a daily basis?
Right.
The blog post breaks down their responsibilities into three key areas:
Okay.
strategic oversight, tactical execution, and technical proficiency.
Right.
Let's unpack those, shall we?
Let's unpack them.
All right, so strategic oversight is
Yeah.
all about the big picture.
Exactly.
It's about aligning AI initiatives with the company's goals.
Aligning, making sure that they match up.
Exactly.
So imagine you're trying to improve customer retention with AI.
Okay.
Um, it's not enough to just throw an algorithm at the problem.
Right.
You need to understand the business goals, the data you have available, and how to actually measure the success of your solution.
So it's not just about the tech. It's
Yeah.
about tying it back to real business value.
Absolutely.
Love that. And then there's tactical execution,
Okay.
which sounds a lot more hands-on.
Yeah, this is where the strategy gets translated into action.
Okay.
So you're thinking about collaborating with different teams, conducting user research, seeing how people interact with AI features, and constantly iterating on the product based on those insights.
So it's like being a conductor.
Yeah.
Making sure every instrument is playing in harmony
Right.
to create a beautiful symphony of a product.
You got it.
But we can't forget about the technical side of things.
Oh, no.
That's where technical proficiency comes in.
Of course.
Now, an AI product manager needs to understand the tools of the trade,
Yeah.
not just which algorithms are out there, but what their strengths and weaknesses are, when to use cloud-based solutions versus building something in-house,
Right.
and how to analyze the performance of AI models to choose the best one for the job.
Absolutely.
Wow, it sounds like you need a pretty solid understanding of the tech to really excel in this role.
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
But it's not about being a coding whiz.
Okay.
It's more about being able to understand the possibilities and limitations of AI
Got it.
and being able to communicate that effectively with both technical and non-technical teams.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
It's all about being that bridge between the technical world and the business world.
That's the key.
Okay, cool. Now, the blog post also mentions that the specific scope of an AI product manager's work can vary,
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
depending on the size of the company, their overall AI maturity, and even the individual's own expertise.
For sure.
Right.
So in a smaller startup, for example, an AI product manager might be wearing multiple hats,
Right.
doing everything from data analysis to user research.
Yeah.
But in a larger, more established company, they might have a more specialized role.
So there's no one-size-fits-all definition of an AI product manager.
Exactly.
It's more about understanding the core principles
Right.
and then adapting them to your specific situation.
That's what makes it such an exciting and dynamic field.
It's definitely a role that's on the rise.
It is.
I bet some of you listening are thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I even get started?
Good question.
Well, the blog post has some great advice on that front, too.
So-
In fact, it offers 7 key recommendations for aspiring AI product managers.
7. Wow.
Yeah.
That sounds like a deep dive in itself.
It is, but don't worry. We'll
Okay.
break it all down for you.
All right.
First up, there's continuous learning.
Oh,
No surprises there, right?
makes sense.
This field is moving so fast, you need to be constantly learning and evolving to keep up.
It's a marathon, not a sprint.
I like that.
The blog post highlights some fantastic resources for staying ahead of the curve,
Oh, awesome.
including platforms like Udacity, Coursera, and even MIT.
Wow.
They offer specialized programs that can give you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed.
You can literally learn from the best.
You can.
But continuous learning goes beyond just taking courses.
Right.
attending industry conferences, joining online communities, subscribing to relevant newsletters.
Yeah.
It's all about immersing yourself in the world of AI and staying curious.
Staying curious is huge.
Right.
Yeah, and be proactive. Seek out opportunities to learn from experts. Share your knowledge with others, and engage in discussions about the latest trends and developments.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised how much you can learn by being an active participant in the AI community.
So it's not just about absorbing information.
Right.
It's about actively engaging with it and applying it to real-world scenarios.
Exactly.
And that brings us to the next recommendation.
Okay.
Building a strong AI portfolio.
All right, time to put those learnings into action.
This is where you get to show, not tell.
Yes, show, don't tell.
Okay.
The blog post encourages getting hands-on experience
Okay.
through personal projects, hackathons, or even contributing to open-source AI projects.
I love that.
It's about building something tangible and demonstrating your problem-solving skills in a real-world context.
So even if you're just starting out, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty
Yeah.
and experiment with different AI tools and techniques.
Totally.
Those projects can be incredibly valuable additions to your portfolio
They are.
and show potential employers what you're capable of.
Exactly. And you know what?
Right.
Your past experiences, even from seemingly unrelated industries, can be incredibly valuable in AI product management.
That's so true.
Yeah.
The blog post calls this leveraging multi-industry experience.
Right.
It's all about connecting the dots between your existing skills
Yeah.
and this exciting new field.
Absolutely.
So, for example, imagine you have a background in fintech.
Okay.
Your understanding of quantitative methods and financial modeling
Uh-huh.
could be a huge asset when developing AI-driven financial products.
Right.
It's about identifying how your unique experiences and skills can be applied to the world of AI product management.
Exactly.
So don't underestimate the power of your past.
Oh,
It might be more relevant than you think.
absolutely.
Now, let's get real for a second.
Okay.
There's one part of the job hunting process that can be pretty nerve-wracking,
Oh, yeah.
even for experienced professionals.
Yeah.
I'm talking about interviews.
Of course.
AI product management interviews can be especially challenging because they can be so diverse.
They are diverse.
Right.
You need to be prepared to showcase both your technical understanding and your business acumen.
The blog post warns about this,
Uh-huh.
saying you might be deep in technical discussions with data scientists 1 minute,
Okay.
and then pitching your strategic vision to executives the next.
That's right.
So the key takeaway here is to be prepared for anything.
Be prepared.
Practice explaining complex AI concepts in a clear and concise way.
Mm-hmm.
Think through potential use cases.
Yeah.
And be ready to discuss your strategic approach to AI product development.
Right.
You never know what questions they might throw at you.
You don't. And here's a tip.
Okay.
Research the company and its specific AI initiatives beforehand.
Oh, I like that.
It shows that you've done your homework and that you're genuinely interested in the role.
And it might give you some valuable insights
Right.
into the types of questions they might ask.
Exactly.
Great point. Preparation is key.
It-
But even with the best preparation, you can't do it all alone.
No, you can't.
You need a great team to really succeed.
You need a team.
That's why the blog post emphasizes the importance of joining well-balanced teams.
Absolutely.
And this isn't just about having a bunch of smart people in a room.
Right.
It's about having a team with a diverse skill set,
Yes.
including experienced data scientists, engineers, designers, and yes, even those amazing AI product managers.
The whole team.
It's like building a dream team of AI superheroes,
I like that.
each with their own unique superpowers.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You need the right mix of expertise to tackle the multifaceted challenges of AI product development,
Yeah.
from preparing and cleaning the data
Uh-huh.
to building and deploying the models,
Yeah.
all the way to designing a user-friendly interface.
Yeah.
It takes a village to bring a successful AI product to life.
And let's not forget about hiring the right talent.
No, no.
This advice is more for those already in leadership positions.
This is for the leaders out there.
Right. Building a successful AI team starts with finding the right people.
It does.
The blog post emphasizes the value of investing in experienced AI professionals.
Experienced.
It might be tempting to try and save money
Yeah.
by hiring less experienced individuals,
Right.
but in the long run,
Uh-huh.
it will pay off to have a team with a solid foundation in AI.
It will.
It's like that old saying,
What's that?
if you think it's expensive to hire a professional, wait until you hire an amateur.
I like that.
Right.
Yeah. You want a team that can hit the ground running and avoid costly mistakes.
And finally, we come to a piece of advice that's crucial, not just for AI product managers, but for anyone working in the tech industry.
Okay, this is a big one.
This is a big one.
Okay.
Developing soft skills.
This is something we hear a lot about these days.
We do.
But it's especially important in the world of AI.
It is. Technical skills are obviously crucial.
Yes.
But without strong soft skills,
Yeah.
even the most brilliant AI expert will struggle to succeed.
You got it.
The blog post specifically mentions communication, creativity, and critical thinking as essential soft skills for AI product managers.
Those are key.
They are.
You need to be able to explain complex AI concepts to non-technical stakeholders in a way that they can understand.
Yes.
You need to be able to think outside the box to come up with creative solutions to challenging problems.
Yeah.
And you need to be able to think critically about the ethical implications of your work.
So it's about being more than just a techie.
More than just a techie.
It's about being a leader, a communicator, and a problem solver.
Exactly. And those are qualities that will serve you well no matter where your career takes you.
So we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have.
From understanding the evolving role of the AI product manager to exploring the 7 key recommendations for aspiring AI professionals.
7 big ones.
But there's more to come.
Oh.
In the next part of our deep dive.
Okay.
We'll zoom out and look at the bigger picture. The strategic advantage of AI in product management.
Okay.
And how it's shaping the future of business.
I'm excited for that.
So stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore how these AI-savvy professionals are leading the charge in the world of product development.
So good.
We'll see you there.
See you there.
Welcome back to the deep dive.
All right, so now that we've explored the role itself, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. The strategic advantage of having these AI-savvy individuals at the helm.
This is where things get really interesting.
Okay.
Remember how we talked about AI product managers aligning AI initiatives with business goals? This is where that alignment becomes critical.
Okay, so it's not just about building cool AI features for the sake of it.
No.
It's about using AI to actually solve real business problems.
Yes.
And drive measurable results.
Exactly.
Okay.
Imagine you're a company struggling with customer churn.
An AI product manager could come in, analyze all your customer data, identify patterns, and predict which customers are likely to churn.
Okay.
And then work with a team to develop targeted interventions.
So we're talking about...
That's using AI to directly impact the bottom line.
New revenue streams, product improvements, and maybe even entirely new product categories powered by AI?
Exactly. AI product managers are uniquely positioned to unlock these opportunities because they have this panoramic view of the business and the technology.
Okay.
They understand the market trends, the user needs the competitive landscape, and they can connect those dots in a way that leads to real innovation.
Okay. I'm starting to see how powerful this role can be.
Yeah.
But it's not just about having a great idea, right?
Right.
You need the right infrastructure and data management.
Yes, you do.
To make it happen.
The blog post we're deep diving into specifically mentions how AI product managers link data management infrastructure and product development.
Okay.
It's this integrated approach that allows them to maximize the potential of AI.
Okay, I like that.
Think of it like this data is the fuel that powers the AI engine.
Okay.
But if you don't have the right pipelines to collect, clean, and store that data, the engine won't run efficiently.
So AI product managers aren't just focused on building the AI models themselves.
No.
They're also thinking about the entire data lifecycle.
They're ensuring the data is accurate, reliable, and accessible.
Okay.
And they're working with data scientists and engineers to build the infrastructure that can support AI initiatives at scale.
It sounds like they're laying the foundation.
They are.
For a successful AI-powered future.
Exactly.
And it makes sense why this role is becoming so critical
in
today's business world.
For sure. As AI becomes more sophisticated and integrated into every aspect of our lives, the demand for skilled AI product managers will only continue to grow.
It's exciting to think about all the possibilities.
It is.
From personalized healthcare recommendations to self-driving cars.
Yeah.
AI has the potential to revolutionize so many aspects of our lives.
Yeah. And it's not just about making things faster, more efficient.
Right.
AI can also help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems.
Wow.
Imagine using AI to develop new treatments for diseases.
Okay.
To optimize energy consumption.
Yeah.
Or to create more sustainable food systems.
That's powerful stuff.
It is.
It sounds like AI product managers have a real opportunity to make a difference in the world.
They do, but it's important to remember that AI is a tool.
Right.
And like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil.
That's true.
It's up to AI product managers to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly.
That's a really important point.
It is.
It's not just about the technical skills, it's also about having a strong sense of ethics and social responsibility.
Absolutely. AI product managers need to be mindful of the potential biases that can creep into AI systems.
Right.
And they need to be proactive in mitigating those biases.
Okay.
They also need to think carefully about the societal impact of their work.
It's a lot of responsibility, but it also sounds incredibly rewarding.
It can be.
So what are some of the key things aspiring AI product managers can do to prepare for this exciting career path?
Well, the blog post we're analyzing offers 7 practical recommendations.
Welcome back to the deep dive. We've talked about what AI product managers do,
Yeah.
the strategic advantage they bring to the table.
Right.
And now it's time to equip you with the knowledge to maybe become one.
Oh, nice.
We're diving into the blog post's 7 recommendations for aspiring AI product managers.
Great.
Consider this your toolkit for success.
Right.
First up, continuous learning.
Of course.
This field is constantly evolving.
It is.
So you need to commit to being a lifelong learner.
Think of it like a marathon, not a sprint.
Okay.
The blog post highlights platforms like Udacity, Coursera, and even MIT.
Wow.
They offer specialized programs to give you the knowledge and skills needed.
So you can literally learn from the best.
Yeah, you can.
But continuous learning goes beyond just taking courses. Attending industry conferences, joining online communities, subscribing to newsletters. It's all about surrounding yourself with the latest in AI and staying curious.
And don't just passively absorb information.
Okay.
Actively engage with it.
Right.
Talk to experts, share your own insights, and debate the latest trends. It's amazing what you can learn by being an active participant in the AI community.
So continuous learning sets the foundation.
Sets the foundation.
But what about showing potential employers what you can do?
Yeah, that's where building a strong AI portfolio comes in.
Okay.
It's one thing to talk about AI.
Yeah.
It's another to roll up your sleeves and build something.
The blog post recommends getting hands-on experience through personal projects, hackathons, and even contributing to open source AI projects.
This is where you get to translate theory into practice, experiment with different AI tools, and most importantly, showcase your problem-solving skills in the real world.
So even small projects can be valuable additions to your portfolio. They demonstrate your initiative, your passion for AI, and your ability to learn and adapt.
And plus, it's incredibly satisfying to see your ideas come to life.
Right.
Yeah.
And speaking of past experiences, don't underestimate the value of what you already bring to the table.
You got it.
Remember, leveraging multi-industry experience.
Yeah. This is where you connect the dots between your seemingly unrelated skills and the world of AI.
So, for example, say you have a background in marketing.
Right.
Your understanding of consumer behavior and data analytics could be incredibly valuable when building AI-powered recommendation engines.
It's all about thinking creatively and seeing how your unique experiences can translate into this new field.
So don't shy away from highlighting your diverse background. It could be your secret weapon.
I like it.
Okay, let's talk about interviews.
Okay.
They can be nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Especially in a field as dynamic as AI.
It's true. The blog post gives a heads up
Okay.
about preparing for diverse interviews. Because AI product management roles often attract a wide range of questions.
Right. You might be deep diving into technical details with data scientists one minute, and then discussing your strategic vision with executives the next.
So be prepared to showcase both your technical understanding and your business acumen.
So it's like a mental agility test.
It is.
So practice explaining complex AI concepts clearly and concisely, think through potential use cases, and be ready to articulate your approach to AI product development in a way that resonates with both technical and non-technical audiences.
And here's a tip.
Okay.
Research the company and its specific AI initiatives before the interview.
I like that.
It shows you've done your homework and you're genuinely interested in what they're doing.
Now, even the most talented individual can't achieve everything alone.
No, they can't.
That's why the blog post highlights the importance of joining well-balanced teams.
Absolutely.
Building a successful AI product requires a diverse team of experts, each bringing their own unique skills to the table.
Like data scientists, engineers, designers, and of course those brilliant AI product managers.
It's about recognizing that everyone has a crucial role to play and fostering a collaborative environment where everyone feels valued and empowered.
When you have a team that gels well and communicates effectively, that's when the magic really happens.
And to build that dream team, you need to focus on hiring the right talent.
Yes, you do. This advice is more for those in leadership positions.
The blog post stresses the importance of investing in experienced AI professionals. It might seem expensive up front, but in the long run, having a team with a strong foundation in AI will save you time, money, and a lot of headaches.
It's like building a house. You wouldn't skimp on the foundation, would you?
Right.
A solid team of experts is the foundation for any successful AI initiative.
And finally, the blog post emphasizes a skill set that is crucial not just in AI, but in any field.
Okay.
Developing soft skills.
Oh, this is a big one.
In the world of AI, we often get caught up in the technical aspects, but remember, technology is ultimately a tool to solve human problems.
Right.
And to solve those problems effectively, we need to cultivate our soft skills.
The blog post specifically calls out communication, creativity, and critical thinking.
Being able to explain complex AI concepts in a clear and engaging way, thinking outside the box to solve challenging problems, and approaching your work with a critical and ethical mindset. These are all skills that will make you a more effective AI product manager.
Soft skills are what make you a leader, a collaborator, and a problem solver.
Right.
And in the rapidly evolving field of AI, those skills are more valuable than ever.
So there you have it, folks. 7 actionable steps to help you embark on your journey to becoming an AI product manager.
A roadmap to success.
Remember, continuous learning, building a strong portfolio, leveraging your unique experiences, being prepared for diverse interviews, joining well-balanced teams, hiring the right talent, and developing those essential soft skills. These are the keys to success in this exciting and dynamic field.
And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one leading the charge, shaping the future of AI-powered products and experiences.
The possibilities are truly endless. And that concludes our deep dive into the world of AI product management.
That was fun.
We hope you found this journey as insightful and inspiring as we did.
We did.
Until next time, keep exploring. Stay curious and keep those brains buzzing.
Keep learning, everybody.